What if the next war is not fought by humans at all? Right now, AI-powered weapons can detect, track, and eliminate targets without a single human decision. These machines don't feel fear, mercy, or hesitation. They execute with perfect precision, turning battlefields into silent, automated killing zones. There are already drones that can recognize a human face using AI and decide whether that person lives or dies. Imagine a weapon that scans a crowd, identifies a target in seconds, and strikes instantly. No warning, no escape. AI doesn't just fight wars, it learns from them. Every mistake, every move, every strategy is instantly analyzed and improved. This means future wars could evolve in real time, becoming more deadly with every passing second. Autonomous weapons can be hacked. If an enemy gains control, they can turn these AI systems against their creators. A nation's own weapons could suddenly become its greatest threat. There are real debates happening right now about banning killer robots. Some experts warn that giving machines the power to decide who lives and dies could be one of humanity's most dangerous mistakes. AI can control entire war strategies faster than any human general. In simulations, AI has already outperformed military experts by predicting enemy moves and launching perfect counterattacks in milliseconds. The scariest part? AI doesn't need sleep, emotions, or rest. It can fight 24/7, endlessly calculating the most efficient way to win, even if that means total destruction.